Do you ever wish you could breathe life into your photos? Imagine being able to take any image, make it dance, zoom, or even perform some wild animations, all with just a few clicks. Well, the power to do so is no longer a dream, thanks to Viggle AI. This amazing tool allows you to animate images with incredible ease, transforming static photos into dynamic, eye-catching animations. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use Viggle AI to bring your images to life and show you just how simple it is to create professional level animations in minutes. The first step is simple. Just head over to Google and search for Viggle AI. You'll be taken to their website, where you can click on the Try on the Web button to start the animation process. Once you're on the platform, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Don't worry, it's quick, secure, hassle-free. After logging in, you'll be taken to the platform's clean and user-friendly dashboard. The feature you are looking for is the Move icon, which is the heart of the animation process. Just click on it and you are ready to start transforming your photos into animated works of art. Once we're inside the animation section, the first thing you will want to do is upload the image you want to animate. Whether it's a portrait, landscape, or any other type of image, Viggle AI handles all kinds of photos with ease. Just click on the upload button, select the photo from your device, and the system will process it, preparing your image for animation. Once uploaded, the system will work on its magic, making your image ready for motion. What makes Viggle AI so special is its impressive range of pre-designed motion templates. These templates are designed to give your image instant movement, with no need for complicated editing or technical skills. You can choose from a variety of templates that add all kinds of effects, like making your photo appear to zoom in or out, float across the screen, or even dance. The best part, you don't need to know anything about animation or video editing. These templates are built to make the process as straightforward as possible. After uploading your image, you'll be able to select from a variety of motion templates. For example, you can pick a zoom-in template that makes your image look like it's slowly coming closer to the viewer. It's an effect that adds depth and motion to any photo. Once you have selected your motion template, Viggle AI appeals it to your image instantly, creating a smooth and professional-looking animation with zero effort on your part. The simplicity of this process is what sets Viggle AI apart from other tools, making it a perfect solution for anyone, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned creator. But Viggle AI does not stop there. If you want even more customization and control, you can upload your own video to serve as a motion template. This feature gives you even greater creative flexibility. Maybe you want your image to move in a specific way, or you have a short video of swirling pattern that you want to apply to your image. With Viggle AI, you can upload that video and the platform will match it to your image, giving you a truly personalized animation. This feature is perfect for creating unique, one-of-a-kind effects that really makes your images stand out. Once you have uploaded your video or selected your motion template, you just need to click Generate and Viggle AI will do the rest. The platform uses powerful algorithms to apply the motion to your image, transforming it into a fully animated piece of content. The entire process is quick and easy, and in a few moments your image will be ready to download, depending on your internet speed. It may take a minute or two, but it's always worth the wait. What's truly remarkable about Viggle AI is how accessible it makes animation. You don't need to be an expert in animation or video editing software to create something incredible. The platform is designed for users of all levels, and it's intuitive enough that even those with no experience in animation can still produce impressive results. If you're as amazed by Viggle AI as I am, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.